Crafting the perfect hot or cold espresso drink is simple with the Cuisinart Grind and Brew Espresso machine. Grind, tamp, and brew. It's that easy. Simply turn it on and place your cup on the warming plate. Fill the convenient, removable reservoir with cold water at the top or at the sink. Next, add beans to the hopper. Turn dial to select your preferred grind, and the machine will process the beans accordingly. Select single or double filter. Insert the portafilter into the dosing guide with the grinding cradle. Select single or double grind. Once grinding is complete, remove the portafilter and dosing guide. Next, place the tamper puck into the portafilter. Then, tamper down the coffee grinds with the mess-free assisted tamping lever. Secure the portafilter to the brew head and turn to lock. Set your cup, glass, or mug underneath the pouring spout. For hot drinks, simply press the single or double button. For cold drinks, press the cold button. Then select single or double. Now, with the bottomless portafilter, you can see the espresso extract. Once your espresso is finished, you may want to create an espresso drink. If so, fill the stainless steel jug with milk. Then insert the jug under the frothing wand. Move the level up to steam milk. Then use the frothed milk and add in syrups or ingredients to customize. Now your espresso drink is ready to enjoy. This is the Cuisinart Grind and Brew Espresso machine. Espresso just the way you like it.